All right, I'm live. All right, let's deal with it, people. Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reddss for Daddy Reddss Promotions, and this is Talking the News. In this episode, we're gonna talk real fast. Bounty Killer and Beenie Man, they were given shares of equity on the Reddss platform. That's nice, because you know the artists them put in the work. So it's good for the artists to get some shares. And you know dancehall is appreciated. So big props to Reddss for making sure that they give Beenie Man and Bounty Killer some equity, because them one built the thing. That's right. Nobody knew about Reddss until Beenie Man and Bounty Killer was on it. Straight. Spragga Benz and Buju Banton, they blast the Jamaican government because of their COVID inoculation plans. See what I'm saying? Buju Banton and Spragga Benz, they are against vaccines, and they say that's the state's attempt to inoculate like 60% of the population. It's like the Magnum say, like, you know, what happened to the flu? Which is true. They say, shouldn't government protect its people instead of the company? You know what that means? That means people cannot get sued if the vaccine messed them up. Can you imagine? Because they're going to pass laws. They're going to do that in this country too. Joke thing. Spragga Benz, Buju Banton, Tony Rebel Chronics, Kabaka Pyramid, Lee's Ratchberry, they are against the vaccine. On the other side, you have Bounty Killer, Shaggy, Cecile, Mike Wing, Maca Diamond. They said, hey, they're waiting for the vaccine. All I have to do is say, look, everybody, do what you want to do what you feel to do. That's my stance on it. Pick up yourself, yo. Jada Kingdom, she warns dancehall fans about, you know, trying to talk to her the wrong way. Jada Kingdom has risen from, like every artist, from nowhere to higher heights. But right now, you know, her fame has given her a little paranoia. That's what she's admitted. You know, she doesn't want to get harmed by a fan. She said being popular is scary because you don't know who you know and who know you. That's true, but who ain't the star girl life you live? Get some bodyguards. We know you're a rebel, so greet the fans and then we'll treat you right, alright? Pick up yourself, Jada Kingdom. Now, last but not least, check this out. Jams, which is the collection agency for Jamaica, they said the international market is not buying. You hear that again? The international market, they're not buying all this trap, hip-hop, island pop, whatever that stuff is, coming out of Jamaica, based on royalty payments. Like I said, listen, youths, do no music. Remember, do the hardcore, do the real deal. Because guess what? Based on royalty payments, them not make no money. The youths who say them are running the place. The money is coming in internationally for what they call catalog songs, meaning that good old reggae music. Because dancehall is a place that we've been hearing all our lives. See what I'm saying? So, all I gotta do is suggest that the youths continue doing the new age style. But remember, you have to keep it real and do the real thing. Jamaica music, we say. Don't let them lead you astray. Experiment, the thing shot. It is what it is. But remember, the real deal, keep it grounded. Alright? Lord of mercy. This is Daddy Reddss, and this has been Talking News. That's right, and since I'm the reggae ambassador, you know what we're gonna do. We're gonna cause a musical massacre like this. Toughest soon forward.